hantad po dito sa Pilato, and paano niyo po pinipili yung tema na tutugma po sa mga eksena dito?
For the theme, actually one of the hardest parts of composing is preparing kasi you really have to digest the text. So hindi siya basta-basta nabasa mo na kaya mo siyang lagyan ng music. So as I mentioned before, inspiration pretty much differs per song kasi each song gives a different mood or gives a different environment. So depending on how heavy the song should feel or how sweet or romantic it should be, that's the music I try to listen to. So for inspiration, I listen to a lot of musicals, I listen to a lot of film scores, game scores. So iba-iba talaga. But for me, siguro yung pinaka-technique that I use is the sense of nostalgia. So I try to keep things simple and familiar because it's what everyone wants to hear and it's what directly affects each one of us.
Ano po, thank you po.